It seems to me that now that Uvuyakazi has been giving Mpumelelo stress overload, or should I say maybe she's kind of returning the stress that Mpumelelo has been giving her back to him. Utirelo seems to really be the peace in the storm right now. What I've observed, guys, over the past couple of weeks is how Mpumelelo and Terelo's relationship seems to be flourishing. And please, sometimes, like, please listen to the word that I said seems, because I can't really speak on stuff because I'm like, I can only speculate based on what I'm seeing off of the internet. Hence, I'm saying seems. I'm not saying it's like that. But it really does seem, you guys, as if their relationship has been flourishing. And it also seems the hate that some of you have been throwing towards Utirelo and their relationship is only making them grow stronger, guys. You know what Katy Perry said? She said, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Is it Katy Perry? Angazi, you guys. But anyway, Otirelo posted this picture and it was so cute. She's basically there, Nompumelelo and Umhlopegazi and Pumelela's siblings, as well as her son, Usinga, as well. I believe this was the weekend where it was her, or she posted this picture when it was her son's birthday that weekend. So I believe it was that weekend. And I thought it's just so beautiful. But if you notice, guys, that Utirelo really loves ingane zikaMpumelelo, not only ingane zakhona, but not only ingane zikaMpumelelo, but his siblings as well. If you look at, she doesn't post it on her timeline, but if you look at her stories, she'll post umhlopekazi, she'll post umnini. Like, it really seems like she really does get along with the kids. And one thing I can say is that sometimes, guys, you can see when a relationship is forced and when you can see when generally like abantu bayazwana. Like, you can see sometimes when a person like doesn't get, there's just some people they don't get along with kids like that. And then there's just some people like Abu Tobi Lemsile, she gets along with kids. And I know for the longest time people really thought she was faking it, but she really does get along with kids. And I think it's the same thing for Utirela. She gets along with those kids. And I think it's such a beautiful thing because one thing, if uzmisela ubasesithembini or estenjini, like, you must embrace those kids because the chances are this guy is saying, chances are this guy's not even chances are this guy is still gonna have much more kids. If he's saying he wants 7 wives or however many wives he wants, and it looks like he's going around impregnating his girlfriends, then you must embrace the fact that there's going to be other children, your children's siblings, and if you're willing to sickle in it, then you must embrace the kids. Another thing about Utirelo that I think has really assisted her in this relationship of hers or in this situation that's going on is that Utirelo really doesn't seem to have much expectations in terms of marriage. I've said this, you guys, I've never heard Utirelo speak about ama position in regards to her own life. Uti manje mina ntontoni. I've never even heard her speak about marriage, you guys. You guys can correct me. I've never heard Utirelo asking about marriage or about position. I don't know if it's something she wants or she's comfortable with it, or in her head she's like, when it happens, it happens. Or maybe she speaks those type of things in the private places with Umpumelelo. But like the side chick vibes, some side chicks where they like, when you date a married man, you must know your place. And that somehow works out for them, knowing their place, like, works out for them. Now, I'm not saying Uchutirel is a side chick at the moment. She is a girlfriend at the moment. But I'm like, what I'm trying to say is that I feel like the mentality of knowing her place has really, like, assisted her and guarded her heart, and hence I feel like she's still here, and I truly do think she's still gonna be here for the long run, you guys. I don't see Utirelo going anywhere anytime soon. But listen, Umpumelelo has his own, he has his own plan that is building on. So we never know how far that plan is going to go and how far that plan can push Utirelo or any of his current girlfriends away. But I truly do think Ukel, like knowing her place, Sebenzeli, knowing her place is really like minimizing, in a sense, the hurt or the amount of hurt she's getting. And it seems to be working for her. So, you know what, girl? If this is what you want, and seemingly this is what she wants, because she's communicated time and time again, which is she loves the guy, she has boldly came out and said, yes, I'm still with Mpumelelo. She has never like been ashamed of the fact that, Mpumelelo does whatever he does. Like she laughs at other things, singers, when she's laughing about it, is it really like a joke or like, Darren is like those type of people that will literally like laugh off everything. You don't know if they're laughing because they're angry, if they're laughing because they're happy, if they're laughing because they find it funny. You really don't know. But anyway, halala girl. Halala girl, it seems like you're happy, keep flourishing in your relationship. Anyway, guys, tell me, what do you think about my analysis? What do you think about it? Please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you in the next one.